Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is sweet potato cauliflower mash. I'm calling this some sweet and sexy goodness. So delicious. You're going to start with organic sweet potatoes and cauliflower. Cut or break up the cauliflower, boil, steam, microwave, whatever you need to do to get them soft. I roast the sweet potatoes, remove the skin, and there you go. 3 or 4 cups each of the cauliflower and the sweet potatoes. Now, the rest of your ingredients, simple. Vegan butter, garlic powder, fresh lemon, salt and pepper to taste, coconut milk, any other plant-based milk you'd like, and fresh herbs. I use thyme. That's it. Let's get started. I would suggest using a blender or a food processor. It's going to make it the smoothest. My tip here is to get as much of the water out of the cauliflower as you can. Otherwise, it's going to be wet and mushy. Process, blend it till it's smooth. Then go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients except for your plant-based milk. Once you start blending, slowly add in the milk. That way you won't get it too watered down. That's it. Reheat and serve. You've got it. This is delicious. Top with your fresh herbs. If you'd like, add in some lemon zest. I hope you enjoyed this sweet potato cauliflower mash as much as I did. Please subscribe, share, comment, and let me know how you made it your own. Go to veganglutenfreelife.com for more recipe videos, the full recipe, and so much more. Thanks again. Take care. See you soon. Bye.